This particular mill was water powered, hydro-mechanical powered, which means that there were 7 turbines that powered one giant water wheel, and it was powered this way up until the late 1930s, probably 37, 38, when they added motorized machines. What you have to imagine is this giant bottom wheel with a giant piece of rope around maybe 2 feet in diameter, pulling that top wheel with belts and pulleys and shafts, turning 3 stories of looms, card machines, and spinning frames. The process is basically pretty simple. You start with gin cotton that the seeds have already been taken out. The bales are opened. In the opening and picking room, the cotton is fluffed up and the trash is taken out of the cotton, whatever trash is left from the stems, and then it's sucked into this giant machine through tubes, taken into the card room. It's combed in the card machines with big metal teeth, and through those machines, then the fibers get going in one direction. From there, it's twisted into what's called roving or roping and twisted again until it becomes a thin fiber. And then in the spinning room, it's twisted again till it's something that you would think of as thread or yarn. Then the yarn goes into 2 directions. One is put onto filling bobbins, which end up inside of the shuttles in the weave room. The other direction it goes into or onto big flat spools called cheeses. And on these cheeses, think of it as a roll of fabric without any cross weave in it yet. And for every end, you have to have 1 cheese. And they're all drawn into that roll. And then that is starched or slashed, they call it. And then that roll of warp is taken into the weave room. The warp beam is taken onto the back of the loom and put on, and then on the front of the loom, the shuttle goes back and forth and puts in the cross weave. So that's how the fabric is made.